Hello, my dear friends and students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to take very important lecture. That is most important or expected multiple choice questions on polymer chemistry. Before I start this video, I request everyone, please subscribe my channel first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. With that, you will get the notification for upcoming videos. Let me start today's multiple choice questions. The first question is, the repeating unit of polyvinyl chloride is options: ethylene, vinyl chloride, allyl chloride, and glycine. Very simple. As we know, for any polymer which is made up of repeating units, that is nothing but the monomer. Here the question is asked for polyvinyl chloride, that is polyvinyl chloride polymer, which repeating unit is used, that is which monomer is used. The right answer of this question is, that is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is used for continuous formation of, that is polyvinyl chloride. Next, thermo softening plastics are made by options: addition reactions, condensation reactions, one-step reactions, and D, substitution reaction. The right answer of this question is very simple. Thermo softening, we have the two different types of plastics are there: thermo softening plastics and thermo setting plastics. Here, as we know that the thermo softening plastics are made by, very simple, that is addition reactions. Next, Buna is an example of which rubber, that is which rubber is there. The options are organic rubber, inorganic rubber, natural rubber, and the synthetic rubber. The right answer of this question is, that is option D, synthetic rubber. Means Buna is an example of a synthetic rubber. Next, which of the following is not an example of addition polymer? This is, try to understand, not an example of addition polymer, not an example. Options: polyethylene, polystyrene, neoprene, and nylon 66. So the right answer of this question is, if you know the synthesis of all these polymers by the which polymerization takes place, so the right answer of this question is option D, nylon 66, because nylon 66 is made from the made by the condensation polymerization. Next, which of the following is condensation polymer? Which of the following is condensation polymer? Options: A, Teflon, B, PVC, C, polyester, and D, neoprene. The right answer of this question is option C, polyester, because polyester is a polymer which is made by the condensation polymer, and remaining Teflon, PVC, and the neoprene are made by the addition polymerization. Dacron is an example of polyesters, polyamides, polypropenes, and polyacrylics. The right answer of this question is polyesters. Polyesters are known as the Dacron. Next, nylon 66 is obtained by the condensation polymerization of. Nylon 66 is obtained by the condensation polymerization of. Options are given: A, adipic acid and ethylene glycol, B, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, C, adipic acid and the phenol, and D, adipic acid and the styrene. So as we know that right answer of this question, that is option B, very simple, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Here adipic acid having the 6 carbon and the hexamethylene diamine having the 6 carbon. Therefore nylon 66 is named. Next, bakelite is obtained from phenol by reacting it with A, formaldehyde, B, acetaldehyde, C, acetone, and D, ethylene glycol. This is a famous question, that is bakelite is a resin which is formed by the phenol, and that is option A of the formaldehyde. So bakelite is formed by with the help of phenol reacting with the formaldehyde. Next, in addition polymer, monomer is used. In addition polymer, monomer is used. A, bifunctional saturated compound, B, trifunctional saturated compounds, C, tetrafunctional saturated compound, and D, unsaturated compounds. Right answer of this question is, that is option D, unsaturated compounds. For any addition polymer, you must require the unsaturated compounds. Then and only unsaturated compounds can be added with the each and one by one by the monomer. Therefore, unsaturated compounds are can be used in the addition polymers. Next, nylon threads are made of. Nylon threads are made of A. Polyester polymers, polyamide polymers, polyethylene polymers, and D. polyvinyl polymers. So right answer of this question is option D, polyamide polymers. Polyamides are nothing but the nylons. Condensation polymerization is proceeded by A. Addition process, B. Free radical chain reaction, C. Step growth process, and D. Cascade process. Very simple. The right answer of this question is option C, that is step growth process. Means as we seen in the condensation polymerization, one molecules they get condensed, means continuously there is a step growth process is there. Therefore, condensation polymerization is proceeded by the step growth process. Next, polymers with low degree of a polymerization are called as. This is very important question. Polymers with low degree of a polymerization are called as A. Oligomers, B. Monomers, C. High polymers, and D. Trimers. The right answer to this question is, it is option A. Oligomers. Polymers with low degree of polymerization are called as the oligomers. Next, in isotactic polymers, asymmetric carbon atoms have the dash different configuration with respect to the polymer, same configuration with respect to the polymer, random configuration with respect to the polymers, and none of the above. This is very simple. The right answer of this question is, that is option B. In isotactic polymers, all the asymmetric carbons having the same configuration with respect to the polymer. 14. Thermosetting plastics are formed by the. Here, thermosetting plastics are formed by the A. Addition polymerization, B. Chain reaction polymerization, C. Substitution polymerization, and D. Condensation polymerization. The right answer of this question is option D. Condensation polymerization. Previously, I discussed just, that is thermosoftening plastics are formed by the addition polymerization. Here the question is thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics are formed by the condensation polymerization. Next, the monomer used for Teflon. The monomer used for Teflon is option A. Tetrachloroethylene, option B. Tetrafluoroethylene, option C. Tetrachlorofluoroethylene, and option D. Trifluoroethylene. So the right answer of this question is very simple. Teflon is always, that is the monomer used in the Teflon is, that is tetrafluoroethylene. That is option B. Tetrafluoroethylene is a monomer used for the Teflon. Next, the silk and wool are examples of dash polymer. A. Natural polymer, B. Synthetic polymers, C. Inorganic polymers, and D. Both A and C. So right answer of this question is, that is natural polymers. Silk and wool are the examples of the natural polymers. Next question. A polymer is made up of 1000 repeating units. Then the degree of a polymerization is A. 1, B. 10, C. 100, and D. 1000. This is a very important and very simple question always. That is, the right answer of this question is 1000. As we discussed in the theory also, that is, what is degree of a polymerization? Degree of a polymerization nothing but the, that is, the repeating units in a polymer are called as the degree of a polymerization. Here a polymer is made up of 1000 repeating units. Therefore, the degree of a polymerization of this polymer is, that is 1000. This is the last question. Here we can see the British name of terylene. The British name of terylene is known as A. Macron, B. Vacron, C. Dacron, and D. All of the above. So right answer of this question is very simple. The British name of the terylene is option D. Option C. Dacron. That is, British name of terylene is called as the Dacron. Okay. I hope you are understand these questions. You make it practice. You go through the practice for all these questions, and you will get the idea about the some more multiple choice questions on the polymer chemistry. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button here we can see press the bell icon button. Whenever you subscribe my channel, so definitely try to remember it. Don't remember to be press the bell icon button. So you press the bell icon button. With this, you will get the latest videos notification for upcoming videos. Thank you.